Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's about that time. It's been a little while since we visited a very dear friend of the channel, and I'm starting to feel bad because I abused his sale over Labor Day this year. So, as you know by that intro, we're going to take a look at something awesome by the Boston Beard Company. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this oil. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Yeah, I got that little lighting issue fixed that I forgot about earlier, so forgive me for that. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on the, on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful you chose one of mine. Seriously, I am. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Seriously, we're growing, we're having a lot of fun, and I want all of you along for the ride. We do things really, really differently here, and you might enjoy what you see. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at Boston Beard Company's Churchill. Now, I grew up back there in the 617. I spent summers in Fenway. Time of my life was there. You may leave Boston, but Boston never ever really leaves you. And that label to me is iconic. It really, really is. It's Boston Harbor. So, still.
I mean, when are we going to place my bird bag today?
When the mail arrives. Can I film this video? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Those of you who know the cuteness factor know that's no big surprise. We have brought one of Boston Mike's oils to the channel before, so take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever we've done right up there. Alright, now I found him via an Instagram live feed with Beard Times with Scott, and seriously, I've been hooked on his company ever since. I know I haven't been featuring a lot, Mike. I'm sorry, bro. We're going to start making up for that. Now, like I said in the intro, he had one hell of a sale over Labor Day, and I abused the crap out of it. I really did, because I like his company that much. I invested as much as I could, financially afford at that point to bring more product to the channel. And I've been using it religiously since. Boston Beard Company is one of my go-to things. Now, they are made in the USA out of, obviously, Boston, Massachusetts. They started in about November 2018, and, Mike, he's the owner, but everyone calls him Boston Mike, and, that always seems to happen. It's like whenever you're in a brand new state and someone starts talking to you, they refer to you as a city. It's like, oh, that guy from Chicago, or that good old boy out in Tennessee right there. And everyone always seems to go into that drawl. But still, you can find them at www.thebostonbeardcompany.com. Now, Mike's going through this really huge thing right now where he's possibly getting rid of some scents and bringing in some brand new ones. So if you go there and some stuff is sold out, don't worry, he does a great job of restocking things. He has some incredible product. Now, this is what caught me, all right? Mike basically did the same thing that a lot of other companies have done. Now, he's used a lot of products from a lot of different brands, and nothing really, really got to him, because he's going to kill me for this in a moment. He was wicked picky, about what goes in his beard. And it seems to be that way with a lot of great small batch companies. They tried bigger name brands, didn't like it, and went, I can do better. And that's what Mike has done. Now, he extensively tests everything on himself. Now, I would like to say that his products are, cruelty-free, animal-free, but he tests them on himself. He's going to kill me for that one, too, but it's all right. Now, if they don't meet his standard, basically, he will either scrap them and go, well, that really sucked, or he will go back to the drawing board and figure out what doesn't work. And man, seriously, he's done an amazing job. I can't say anything bad about anything I've tried so far, which is weird because this is the second video I've shot about his products. Now, they do come in a 1-ounce amber bottle, and it's going to run you $18.99. Now, granted, it's a little bit on the higher end scale for a 1-ounce oil because they usually run between 10 and 20 bucks. But that's okay because you're getting premium product in here. You're not overpaying for anything like other brands like Beard Brand. Oh, did I say that out loud? Sorry, Mike. Now, the scent profile on this guy is sweet apple, Kentucky bourbon, and rich leather. Now, I love how he says on his web store, it's going to bring you back to a time when working hard meant something. That really stood out to me, and I went, I've got to bring that, to the channel, because in a lot of areas, he's correct. You can show up to your job, bust your hump all day long, put it in an honest 8, and no one's really going to give a damn. Whereas way back when, in like the 20s and 30s, if you didn't put it in an honest 8, you were pulled aside and got the holy crap beat out of you. Just my 2 cents. Now, the wonderful blends in here, and seriously guys, every time you use beard oil, make sure you shake the crap out of it. So if the carrier oils and the essential oils and fragrance oils have settled, you mix them right back up. It's argan oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, essential oils, and fragrance oils. Here's the fun part. You're fine, baby doll. Everyone's used to the cuteness factor by now, so. I will tell you, honestly, you pick up all 3 notes right away. It's like, there's the apple, bourbon, oh, that leather. You really, truly do. Now, I know, there's your, the color of the oil. It's got, that golden color, but no one really gives a crap about that. But hopefully you can see that. What I like to say is it's kind of a medium thing. It's not really lightweight, so if you put it in your hands, it's just going to go running right off like Speedy Gonzales. And it's not like it's motor oil that's just going to sit there and you're going to need to scrape it off. It's right in that medium side. Now, it's been reviewed twice on his web store, and it's got 5 out of 5 stars. I'm a little biased. I gave it a 5-star rating, so I'm one of those reviews. All right? Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, look, it's totally cool. That's why we go to YouTube, we try to learn stuff. Now, as I showed you before, this one with the eyedropper top, you get whatever amount you need in that eyedropper top, and look, everybody uses a different amount. There's some people who say just put a dot on each little finger and that's all you need. There's some people who go, use a full dropper. Use whatever works for you. You don't want to flood your beard with beard oil and defeat the purpose and clog your pores, and you don't want to use too little where you're not getting the benefits of it. Beard oil really has like 3 really, really good benefits. All right, number 1. It's a vitamin supplement for your skin. I know, weird. Beard oil is not so much for your beard, but it's for your skin under your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your, the beard hair growing luscious, long, not split ends. Keep it just naturally beautiful. Doubt me? Go 1 week without showering. I dare you. This is going to be greasy as all get out. This will be dry, brittle, and bird's nesty. It happens. So there's the vitamin supplement you need. Beautiful use number 2. It's going to help soften up your beard. All right. No one wants to get near their better half with a cactus on their face and going, hi, hi, hi. You're going to get the Heisman. Oh. You will. And the 3rd great use of beard oil is that scent profile is going to stay in there for a while. And with this one, it lasted me about 5 hours that I didn't go nose blind to it, which was kind of rare for me with certain other areas, because after an hour in certain other oils, I've gone nose blind. But this is the 2nd really long-lasting experience with the Boston Beard Company I've had. So that scent profile is going to get in there and make your beard smell good. So that's 3 great uses, right? I think so. That's why I keep using it. Plus the fact it really has helped brought it back. And yeah, the stress patch is still there, but it's getting smaller, and that's all I care. All right. So now we're at the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. I really want to know, have you used Boston Beard Company before? Have you had any great experiences with them? Have you had any bad experiences with them? I can only really speak highly of the company, and I'm not being paid to say this at all. I'm not. This is my personal experiences. Boston Mike does really incredible with customer service. And like I was talking about, that Labor Day thing, and this is what really stood out to me. I didn't realize you could get free shipping on a first order that I placed. So I paid for shipping. And he contacted me within minutes and went, why? Why did you do that? You know you qualify for free shipping. I'm going to refund you. At that point, I was like, dude, it was only a couple bucks. I'm fine. But the fact he did that, that really stood out. He could have kept quiet. He could have kept the cash and not said anything. But he chose to go that extra mile for his customer. That's why I'm going to keep bringing him back. Not just that, but every other experience I've had with him. All right? So let's get to the wrap up, because I know I'm getting into that weird phase of this video where I feel like I'm droning on. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. I know we do things really weird here on the channel, all right? But that's part of the fun. And I hope I earn more of your time today, because I know it's your most precious commodity. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, notice the 2? We here on this channel believe in, redemption and second chances. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up.
What videos are you doing?
One more after this one. You guys who know my channel know this as usual. So look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon or the notification button, as some people call it. Why? That's a great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up. That's right. Over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from, my catalog that they believe are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My take on the Boston Beard Company's Churchill beard oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.